Hey guys, Jay here. Welcome to another cosplay unboxing and review video. Today I'm doing the Soul Reaper generic outfit from Bleach. So technically this is a Toshiro cosplay, but it's just the generic Soul Reaper outfit that I'm doing right now because I have the sword, wig, and Haori already. At KomoriCon 2024 in November, I had bought the sword, which is actually over here, and the Haori, which is also over there. As well as I have already styled a Toshiro wig that there will be a video before this one, whatever. This whole playlist will be linked or whatever. But the point is, I have the rest of the costume already. I just need the Soul Reaper outfit. So, a little backstory first before I get into this. But I did buy one in November. However, that one didn't fit me. It was way smaller than they said it was going to be. So, I bought another one. And funny enough, the time that I'm doing this, the weekend that I'm doing this on a Sunday, the weekend I'm reviewing all this right now on this is 2 weeks before we're using them. And this video is going to be coming out on the day that we are using it at the convention, or the day after or whatever, but that same weekend. So that's kind of funny. But yeah, so it didn't even come, there's a hole here. As you can see, it didn't even come with the envelope or anything. It just came like this with the stuff on it. My address is on the other side. I'm not going to pick it up or cover all that. It's too much. But it's just, bam, I opened it. That's how hard that was. Anyway, we're going to make sure this one fits me. That's the biggest issue. So it looks like it is the same material as the other one, which is what it always is. It's this, it's like a polyester knit material. So basically what I need, the pants are definitely going to fit. They always will, because they're always huge. So what I need is to make sure this fits, because in my last one, that was the problem that I had. This already looks big enough. So let's find out. Oh yeah, that's, 1 second. I'm going to just hold the mic. You can see how this fits like this? That's what I wanted. The other one fits like that. So, yeah, this is much better already. This is... Oh, it's the length I want in the arms, too. I didn't even think it was going to be, but that's the length I wanted. So that's Toshiro's length right there. It's like right above the wrist. That's perfect. This is literally exactly what I was hoping for. That's good. If the pants... I'm not going to put the pants on while I'm here, but if they fit, then they fit. If they don't, then they don't. It's not a big deal because the other ones do, and Atlas is smaller than me, so he'll fit either one of these regardless, so it's not a big deal. I want to make sure this fits too. So let's see what happens. Oh, that's huge. That'll fit. Never mind. Don't even have to look at that. Yeah. Okay, so actually let me put everything on, actually, and then I'll come back and show you everything. All right, this is the cosplay. The belt is a little bit longer than I wanted it, but I can always trim that down. That's totally fine. And yeah, oh my God, this is perfect. I love this. The shirt needs to be fixed a little bit because that's supposed, the white's supposed to be under all the black. It's whatever. I can easily fix that. not a problem. But yeah, this is the entire Soul Reaper outfit, which fits me perfectly. I love this. The pants are also a little long, but they're not bad. So I can hem them. That's totally fine. And yeah, so I have the Haori right here. So I can just do this real fast. There we go. Oh yeah. I can barely see it in the thing, but I like it. Also, 1 sec. I might as well go grab the wig while I'm at it. My hair kind of fits under this. I need to mess with the back a little more. But yeah, there we go. Oh, this is going to annoy the hell out of me. But whatever. It's going to be in my vision the entire time, and it's going to be annoying. But I keep stepping on the pants. But I can probably pull them up more too, actually. And then fold the things down and figure that out. I'll figure that out later. And honestly, it won't matter with this on. You won't be able to see that. But yeah, there we go. And then just because I have the sword. So there we go. Toshiro. I have fabric saved on Amazon that's going to go for the sash thing that goes for the sword, because I am doing earlier Toshiro where he has the big sash. I do have, this isn't what I'm going to be using, but I have this as a little ornament thing that goes on the sash. So this is just my mock-up of what I made. You can't really tell what it is, but it's just a bunch of like fan blades together, because it was the closest thing I can come up with in foam. But Atlas is going to be using a triangle rasp to make it look correct on actual wood for me, and that'll look a lot nicer. And then that sash is really all I need. We're doing this for Anime Washington, which is likely going to be raining, so we are not doing the sandals and the socks like they normally do, because those are going to get destroyed in the rain. So, and it's just going to be nasty and gross feeling the whole time. So we're actually buying white slip-on shoes for them. But I will link in the description ones that are perfect for bleach, that they will take a little bit longer to get to you than most other things. But I'll also link a variation of ones that work for bleach in the description as well, that we're going to get when we do them, because they're a little more, they're easier to get. But anyway, it doesn't really matter. Get whatever you like. But I'll also link down a set of socks that are pretty nice, that you can use, I guess. So that's going to be that. Anyway, yeah, I think that's going to be the end of the video, because this is great and I like it. So yeah, anyway, that's going to be it. So if you like it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys later.